Hello students. Now in my last class also I was just discussing about different types of business, and I've told you that this subject IT class 9 402 is a subject code. In this subject I've told you the combination of different subjects: business management, communication skills, IT, information technology, and green skills. When we are talking about green skill, it is related to the environment, how we can protect the environment. Okay, how we can protect the environment. Okay, how we can use renewable sources. Okay, now in this topic we'll discuss types of business organization in our community. Okay, in my just I'm just revising the previous topics. I've told you business is an area of activity related to production, buying, selling of goods and services. Type of business, I've told you service, merchandising, manufacturing, and hybrid. Okay, these all are the types of business: service, merchandising, manufacturing, and hybrid. Next is service business. I've told you service business provides which do not have any physical form. That is very important. Okay. Example is saloon, repair shop, schools, coaching institutes. These all are come under the category of service business. Next is merchandising business. That is also called as buying and selling business and trading business. Merchandising firm buys and sells the product at the wholesale. That is very important. Wholesale price. Okay, when we talk about buying or selling the product, the trader or the merchandiser will be buying the product at wholesale price and it will be selling it at the retail price. Okay, retail price is different, wholesale price is different. Retail price is more than wholesale price. Next is manufacturing business. Manufacturing business use raw material, labor, and other production process. Now when we talk about manufacturing business, it buys raw material for making new product. Now when we talk about any company, suppose a company is there of mobile phone manufacturing. Now the company use circuit boards, electronic parts, LCD screens, and battery, because in mobile phone there are LCD screens, circuit boards, electronic parts, and batteries and LCD screens. Okay, now if a company is there who is manufacturing the mobile phone, what the raw material it wants? It wants LCD screens, electronic parts, circuit boards, and battery as a raw material. Next is hybrid business. In my last class also I have told you it's a combination of different types of business. It is a mixture of different types of business. When we're talking about service business, merchandising business, manufacturing business, it is a combination of all three businesses. Next is the type of business organization in the community. Okay, what all are the types? Business ownership, sole proprietorship. First is sole proprietorship. If I am just doing the business, there is no partner. That is called sole proprietorship. Next is partnership. Third is corporation, and fourth is corporative. Okay, these all are the business ownership. In my last class also I have discussed. I told you types of business. I told you what is a business. It is a work area of work where why you are working to get the money. Okay, you are involved in activity of related to production of goods. It can be any goods. Suppose a company is there with manufacturing Uncle Chips or Lay's. or Kurkure, okay, or Haldiram Namkeen. They all are in manufacturing units, and they require the manufacturing units or the company, the raw material will be different in different companies, okay, because the products are different. When we are talking about a company who is manufacturing the denims, the raw material will be different. A company who is manufacturing medicines, the pharma companies, the raw material will be different, okay. A company who is manufacturing mobile phone, the raw material will be different. Thank you.